Welcome to Div Efforts.
In this video, you will get the solution of exercise 2A from question number 11 to question number 15. So this is question number 11. You can see this is integration of sine to the power 4 into x into cos cube x into dx. So for solving this question, we can substitute t in the place of sine x. So by differentiating both the side, we get cos x into dx is equal to dt. So now in next step we can write it as integration of sine to the power 4 into x into cos square x into cos x into dx. We can write cos cube x in the form of this. And now in next step we can write integration of sine to the power 4 into x into 1 minus sine square x into cos x into dx. So here we have written 1 minus sine square x in the place of cos square x, because we know that the formula which is sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So from here we can write it as cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So you can see, and by multiplying all this we get this integration of sine to the power 4 into x into cos x into dx minus integration of sine to the power 6 into x into cos x into dx. So now we can substitute t in the place of sine x. So it will be integration of t to the power 4 into dt minus integration of t to the power 6 into dt. So by integrating both, it will be t to the power 5 upon 5 plus t to the power 7 upon 7 plus c. And now we can put the value of t. So it will be I is equal to sine to the power 5 into x upon 5 plus sine to the power 7 into x upon 7 plus c. So this will be the answer. Now you can see the question number 12, which is integration of cos square x into sine 2x into dx. So for solving this question, we can substitute t in the place of cos x. So by differentiating both the side, we get minus sine x into dx is equal to dt, or we can write it as sine x into dx is equal to minus dt. So here in next step, we know the formula which is sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x into cos x. So we will apply this formula here so that we can solve it easily. So it will be 2 into integration of cos cube x into sine x into dx. So here we can substitute t. So it will be minus 2 into integration of t cube into dt. So by integrating this, we get minus 2 into t to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. So now we can put the value of t. It will be minus 2 into cos to the power 4 into x upon 4 plus c. So this 4 will be cancelled out by 2 in 2 times. So it will be plus c. So now it will be I is equal to minus cos to the power 4 into x upon 2 plus c. This will be the answer. Now you can see the next question, which is question number 13. It is also same as question number 12. So I'm just giving you the overview of the solution. You can see it is also same type of question as question number 12. You can solve it very easily. You can see this. This is the answer. Now you can see the question number 14, which is integration of x square upon 1 plus x cube into dx. For solving this question, we can put t in the place of 1 plus x cube. So you can see, if we will differentiate both the sides, so it will be 3x square into dx is equal to dt. So we can write it as x square into dx is equal to dt upon 3. So now you can see we can substitute t in the place of 1 plus x cube. So it will be 1 upon 3 into integration of dt upon t. So we can integrate it as 1 upon 3 into log t plus c. So now we can put the value of t. So it will be I is equal to 1 upon 3 into log into 1 plus x cube plus c. This will be the answer. Now you can see the question number 15. It is also same type of question, and here we have to substitute t in the place of 1 plus e to the power x. So You can see this is also very easy question and you can solve it very easily. This is the overview of the solution of the question number 15 question. So this is the answer.
Please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notifications.